Good evening students, this is Avdesh Rai. Today we are going to start the first chapter of statistics, which is introduction, and the topic under the first chapter, definition of economics, we will discuss today. The economics word has been derived from two Greek words, first one oikos and second one nemin. Whether the meaning of oikos is a house and the meaning of nemin is to manage. By combining these two, we get the household management. In simple words, the economics is the science of household management. Earlierly, economics was called as political economy. By passing of time, various economists presents various definitions. Some important definitions from them we are going to discuss today. There are four economists named Adam Smith, Alfred Marshall, Lionel Robinson and Samuelson. They give various definitions, whether the definition termed as wealth definition by Adam Smith, welfare definition by Alfred Marshall, scarcity definition by Lionel Robbins and growth oriented definition by Samuelson. Let's discuss one by one. First one, wealth definition. It was given by Adam Smith. He told that economics is the science of wealth. Adam Smith provides very precise definition for economics. He simply told that economics is the science of wealth. This definition was taken from his book An Inquiry into the Nature and the Cause of Wealth of Nations, published in year 1776. The next definition, welfare definition. It was given by Alfred Marshall. Alfred Marshall told that economics is a study of man in ordinary business of life. It inquires how he gets his income and how he uses it. Alfred Marshall is telling that economics is the study of income and its flow in various aspects of life for livelihood. The next definition is scarcity definition given by Lionel Robbins. He told that economics is the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. Robbins telling that the human has to establish the relationship between scarce resources and what may be the alternative usage of that resources who are going to be end. Next one, growth oriented definition, also called modern definition of economics, concluded definition of economics given by Samuelson. Samuelson told that economics is study of man and society, how choose with or without the use of money to employ scarce productive resources which could have alternative uses to produce various commodities over time and distribute them for consumptions now and in the future among various people and group of society. Samuelson included all the minor points of economics, whether it is scarce resources, use of money or without money, how people manage their livelihood, what may be the alternative resources for in case of scarce resources. Everything is included in Samuelson definition. That's why it is called modern and concluded definitions of economics. Dear students, note that in the today discussion we got various words like scarcity, consumption, society, wealth, welfare, money, etc. For these all points you have notes I have shared in group. Please see it and read carefully. Now we will meet in next video which will be based on economic and non-economic activity. Thank you.